Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. So this is our section which we're looking for. Now let's scroll a little bit and find software version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Here we've got this information. So now after that, let's enter general settings in this left section. Scroll down and enter developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the background process limit. We can make the navigation bar transparent if you've got the 3 buttons navigation. You can change the window animation scale. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically, to turn on the specific feature, simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here for example, in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. So basically it works just like in the regular settings. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off and just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, let's say. Just tap on it and most of the options will be inactive, as you can see, and after getting back, the developer options will disappear from the general settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the software version step and keep tapping on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.